everybody! It's story time! Story time with Teacher Jane. Today I have a lovely new story for you all. And the name of the story is Splish, Splash, Splish, Splash. And here is a fish. A fish. Fish can swim. Okay, let's start the reading. Here we go. Look at all the fish swimming in the sea. Yes. Here is a blowfish. Yes, this is a blowfish. And over here we have a big fish. Let's all say big, big, big. Okay. And this, my friends, is the fish tail. Yes, the fish has a tail. Okay. Everybody, here is a starfish. How beautiful, a starfish. All right, so it says, look at all the starfish crawling in the sea. Yes, this starfish is glad, it's happy, and this poor starfish is sad. And look, everybody, a big starfish. Let's say big, big, big. Now, everybody, who knows what this sea animal is? Yes, it's a crab. It's a crab. A crab. Look at all the crabs scuttling in the sea. Yes, okay. This crab is snappy. It's snappy. And over here is a big crab. Yeah, let's say big, big, big. Big, big, big. And watch out for the big crab. Another sea animal. This is an octopus. Yes. So it says, look at all the octopuses swimming in the sea. Yeah, okay. This octopus is sleepy. Sleepy. And over here is our big octopus. Yeah, let's say big, big, big. Yes, and the octopus has tentacles, which are like arms. Tentacles. Okay. And just one last sea animal. This, my friends, is a seahorse. A yellow seahorse. Okay. So it says, look at all the seahorses swimming in the sea. Yes, and here is the biggest seahorse of all. It is big, big, big. the end. I hope you all enjoyed hearing today's story. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.